What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you 3 location services to turn off to save battery on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on location. Now here click on location services, and here you will see a Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning button. So turn off these buttons. Now after turning off these buttons, third location service that you can turn off to save the battery is go back, and here you will see a on off button on the top. So just simply tap on this button to turn off all location services. Now after turning off these 3 location services, it will help you to save battery on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.